Hello, everybody. It's Danny here with Danny Reviews, and check out this solar set. These are going to be solar lights. You're going to get two of them. They're going to be IP67 waterproof. They're going to be rechargeable with this huge solar panel up top. And look at the array of LEDs. These are motion sensor. These are street lamp, radar induction solar lamps. These are going to be LED lights. They come with all the post and the mounting hardware to light up. And again, I will show you tonight what they look like, but you can turn them on just to show you that. Look how bright that is. And then with the remote, you can also turn them off. You can set it to auto, right, to have that motion sensor. And then you can also dim it down with different brightnesses on the remote here. It shows you 25%, 75, 50, and 100. That is super bright. You have two of these. You have these out on your property. Anybody walks by, this is going to light up that area. Or as you're driving up maybe to your dark, long driveway, this will light up that area as soon as you get close by. You know how to make that turn. Really nice. All the hardware is included. These are metal. They're not plastic. And really overall nice set. Tonight, I will show you what it looks like when you light up the entire backyard. All right, here's the light. It is dark. I don't have it mounted yet because I don't know where I'm going to quite put it, but I do want to show you just one light, how bright it is. We'll go ahead and turn it on and take a look there. This will light up your entire area. There's one light that I'm holding in my hand that is rechargeable and lighting up that area. You can go ahead and have this at the end of the driveway where you need to turn in. If you don't have a street light, you need to light up an area, or you just want that extra layer of security. So as soon as somebody walks by, this will pick that up and light up the area. This is going to be a great solution for that home security or to light up your driveway. So really cool light. Shout out to the company for gifting me these so I can do a review.